Kuose clothing reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you love trendy, affordable streetwear, Kuose clothing might be on your radar, but most people get this wrong by assuming low prices mean low quality. Let's explore what you really get. Kuose offers t-shirts, hoodies, pants, and accessories ranging from to. Their designs are bold, urban, and often inspired by pop culture. Standard US shipping is, while international shipping varies. What you get: fashion-forward designs at budget-friendly prices, fast seasonal releases, and a wide selection for casual or streetwear looks. What you give up: fabric durability may be moderate, some items can shrink or fade after repeated washing, and customer support response can be slow. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Review. Sizing charts carefully. Some items run small. Step 2. Read customer reviews for quality and longevity insights. Step 3. Factor in shipping costs and potential customs fees. Step 4. Consider whether style and trends outweigh minor durability trade-offs. Most people get this wrong by thinking cheap equals disposable. Kuose clothing is stylish, but proper care is essential. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore reviews. You may love the design, but regret it after a few washes. In conclusion, Kuose clothing is a solid choice for trendy, affordable streetwear if you manage expectations on durability and sizing. Plan purchases wisely, and enjoy the style without overspending.